step into the world of a jack of all trades, where I know a little bit about a lot of things. It is here that I will show you what it is like to be a master of none. Alright, here is my minimal hunting setup. Again, I generally try to be pretty much modular, so if I can, I will take this pack of my hunting kit and just combine this with whatever else I'm taking. So I just have a doe call, a buck call, a camo compact. I keep that because it has a mirror, a couple of cover scents, or a couple doe scents, I guess I should say, and then a few actual chapstick color type face paints. So these I like a little bit better just than the camo compact because they're a little bit more greasy, so they come on a little bit better. And this rope is actually for dragging out deer, so I like to keep that together. This is probably one of my favorite things. Everybody who's a deer hunter probably has their favorite knife. I got this on our honeymoon at a powwow in Wisconsin, and it was handmade by a guy there, and he was selling these. I just love it. It's awesome. This is probably my favorite knife that I've ever had, that I've ever owned. Something that I just try to keep really special, really safe. I don't necessarily keep it with my hunting modular kit. I usually keep it separate and inside the house or separate from the hunting stuff. Alright guys, I do have more packs to go through, so I'll have some more videos to come for us here too.